Do you need to replace the Palmrest keyboard assembly on your Dell G3-3500? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. First, unscrew the bottom base screws. Now use your fingers or a plastic scribe to pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. Now disconnect the battery. Now disconnect the LCD cable. Then unscrew the antenna cable bracket. Then disconnect the antenna cable and slide out the wireless card. Next, unscrew and remove the thermal plate and then slide out the solid-state drive. Next, unsnap the locking tab to disconnect the hard drive cable. Then unscrew and remove the hard drive and caddy. Then disconnect the speaker cable. Now remove the speakers. Then unscrew the LCD display assembly. Now unfold the LCD display assembly and separate it from the palmrest while carefully unrouting the antenna cables underneath the heatsink. Now unscrew and remove the battery. Note that if you have a 4-cell battery, the process is the same, there's just one additional screw. Next, peel back the securing adhesive and then disconnect the DC jack cable. Then unscrew and remove the securing bracket along with the DC jack. Now unscrew and disconnect the right cooling fan. Then unscrew and disconnect the left cooling fan. Next, unsnap the locking tab to disconnect the input-output circuit board. Now unscrew and remove the input-output circuit board. Next, unsnap the locking tab and disconnect the keyboard cables. Now unsnap the locking tab to disconnect the touchpad cable. Then unscrew and remove the motherboard. Now unscrew and remove the touchpad. The remaining piece is the Palmrest keyboard assembly. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.